Hi guys, how are you all? Today the program that we are going to discuss is squaring the numbers in a list. Here the problem statement is given an array of positive integers which are sorted. Your task is to square the numbers of the array and sort them. The test case 1 is input 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the output must be printed as 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. And in test case 2 input is -3, -1, 0, 2, 4 and the output is 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Let's go to the explanation part. Here we need to take list as input. So how to take list as input? In previous videos I said another way. This is the simplest way, so please remember this point. The how to take list as input. A is equal to list of map of int comma input strip dot split. See, like this 1 2 3 4 5 just we will take as input. After that, in order to square each and every element in the list, we need to take empty list, that is b is equal to empty list, and after that iterate each elements in the list. So for I in a, we need to append by doing square of each element in the list. After that they are asked to sort the list, so we sort the list by using b dot sort, and we are displaying the list by using print b. Let me explain this. How to take list. A is equal to list of map of int comma, as we are taking it integer input, we are using like this split by using space. After that we are taking empty list. After that we are iterating each element in the list by using for I in a formula. So after that we are appending squaring of each number in the list. See, I is to I. Okay. After that we are printing the list, so print of b. Let's run it. See, 1 2 3 4 5. The output is 1 4 9 16 25. If this is the output, let's run another time according to the test cases. 5 6 7 8 9. The output is like this. We will use negative also. See, they are asking to sort. Okay. Okay, sorry, I'll just stop the program. They are asking to sort the output list. We are using sort statement. So see, I am giving input -3, -1, as like the test case 2, -3, -1, 0, 2, 4. The output is 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Because after before sorting it will come 9, 1, 0, 4, 16, but after sorting it will come like this. Let's go to the bonus tip. See, bonus tip means for I in A is used to traverse the elements in the list. Instead of using this, we can use list comprehension method. What we want to append, we will use first, and what is first statement, we will use next. Okay, if it is any if else block after for, we will use here. Okay, after for loop. See, let's check this. Instead of this, we can write like this. See, check I into I for I in A. We can write like this. Let's execute. And I am giving 1 2 3 4 5. See, the same output is getting. So instead of these three statements we will use write this. And the second bonus tip is we if they wanted to split by we want to give input with the commas, there's space, right? We need to use in split of split empty, we need empty brackets, we need to use like this comma within the inverted commas. Okay, let's check. See, I am giving commas, inverted commas here. So we must give input with commas. Okay, let's give 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and then it give output. If you want to give with in space of um, comma, they will give like this. We want to give invalid literal like this, it will come. So we must give according to the split statement. Okay, and I will run another time, so it will come nicely. See again 1 3 5 5 I will give, then 1 9 25. And the third one in the bonus tip is, if we want the output without closed brackets with and with commas, we can use star. In some cases it will be used to print output, so instead of this I will just use star. Okay, just to print only the output. 1 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5. Let's check what 1 9 25. See between commas, square brackets, all are not there. I hope you understand this program. Please visit all the please watch all the videos in the playlist, so you will get the knowledge how to analyze the coding questions. It will be useful for you. Please share it to your friends also, let them watch the video. Please subscribe my channel and watch all the videos in it. Thank you so much.